Hello viewers, today we discuss about synchronous down counter, more specifically design of 3-bit synchronous down counter. Now we start how to design synchronous down counter. Here our objective is to design 3-bit down counter. So flip-flop requires is 3 flip-flops are required to design, and the counting states are like that: 0 0 0 to 1 1 1, then 1 1 0, then 1 0 1 1 0 0, then 0 1 1, then 0 1 0, then 0 0 1, then 0 0 0 once again. So this is the sequence of the counting. So here it is counting in downwards. Now we draw the excitation table, that means present state, next state and excited inputs. Present state, next state and excited inputs. So the present state of 3 flip-flops, the outputs are Q3, Q2, Q1. Next state will be Q3, Q2, Q1, the outputs. And we are using here JK flip-flop for the design. So the JK inputs are J3, K3, J2, K2 and J1, K1. Now present state is 0 0 0 and the next state will be 1 1 1. So 0 to 1, this is possible for JK flip-flop is when JK 1 1 and J1 K 0. So in combine we can say that is J is 1, K don't care. So J is 1, K don't care. Similarly these are also. Now 1 1 1 is present state and next state will be 1 1 0. So 1 to 1 conversion, present state is 1 and next state is 1. It is possible when J0 K0 and J1 K0. So we may write don't care 0. Similarly it is don't care 0 and present state is 1, next state is 0. So it is possible when J is 0, K is 1 and J is 1, K is 1. Then so we may write it don't care 1. Similarly now present state is 1 1 0, next state will be 1 0 1, 1 0 1. So similar 1 to 1 is don't care 0, 1 to 0 that is possible when J1 K1 and J0 K1. So we may write it is don't care 1. Present state 0, next state 1. So it is possible when J1 K don't care. Similarly remaining states we may write the present state is 1 0 1, next state will be 1 0 0. So similarly we can do it. So this is the final table final excitation table. Now we will find the minimal expression from this table. To find the minimal expression from the excitation table, we will use K-map method. First, we find the expression for J3 and we draw the K-map here. From the K-map method, that is 1 for 0, 0, 0, that is, then don't care for 1, 1, 1, and don't care for 1, 1, 0, don't care for 1, 0, 1, don't care for 1, 0, 0, and remaining cells are 0. So there is a pair, and we may write here that is Q1 bar, Q2 bar. Similarly, we can find the for K3. Now we solve for K3, then we put the values from the column of K3, then we will find it like that. Then here also this one makes a pair, and we may write Q1 bar, Q2 bar. So J3 and K3 both are Q1 bar, Q2 bar. Now we will do it for J2 and K2 and J1 and K1. For J2, we put this value from this J2 column, then this and this make a quad. So we may write for J2 is equal to, the common is Q1 bar, so here it is Q1 bar. Similarly, for K2, we can obtain a quad from this one, so here also it is Q1 bar. So J2 and K2 both are Q1 bar. For J1, we put all the values from the J1 column, and easily we get J1 is equal to 1. Similarly, for K1, it's also 1. So we get the minimal expressions are J1 and K1 both are 1, J2 and K2 both are Q1 bar, J3 and K3 both are Q1 bar, Q2 bar. Now we design using JK flip-flop. 3 flip-flops are there. Now as J1 K1 1, so both inputs are connected with 1, that is VCC. Then J2 K2 is equal to Q1 bar. So J2 and K2 both are connected with Q1 bar, and J3 and K3, these are connected with Q1 bar, Q2 bar. So there is an AND operation. So an AND gate is like that here. Then Q1 bar. So this is Q1 bar and Q2 bar. So here it is Q2 bar, and the output of this AND gate is connected with J3 and K3. We will obtain the outputs of 3 counters from Q1, Q2 and Q3. As it is synchronous counter, so all the flip-flops are triggered by the clock simultaneously. So this is the final circuit of the synchronous 3-bit down counter.